Hello friends, here you have Asad, design and simulation expert. Today we are going to start another tutorial, and in this tutorial we will create solid 3D models. And for this purpose, let's launch the Solidworks 2018. Click on new tab and double click on part. Here we go. A new part document is opened, and here we see the graphical window, and at this location we have to change the units. Apart from this, we can change the units from document properties. Here select the units and click on PSI. Now again click on options, go to document properties, click on dimensions and change the primary parameters. Here I will have to change it to 0.1 and 0.1. Click on OK. Here we go. Let's select the top view and top plane. Start the sketch and create a center rectangle from origin. Click on isometric view, put the smart dimensions on it. Here we have 5 inches and the length of this rectangle is 8 inches. Now normal to the plane, select normal to the plane, click on circle and make a reference from the origin, create a circle. Put the dimensions to the circle. As 3 diameter circle have been drawn, and the center of the circle must be horizontal with the origin, and the distance from leftmost edge of this rectangle from the center of the circle is 3.5. Click on the center of the circle and origin, select horizontal. It is horizontal constraint. Now my sketch is fully defined. Now again click on isometric view. Here we go to features, select boss extrude and put the distance here as 5. Click OK. Again select the top plane or top view of the object and select the line. Command create the lines at the edges of the box and make or create a triangle. The distance between the node of the triangle to the leftmost edge of the rectangle is 4, and here put the distance as 2. Now the triangular sketch is fully defined. Put the feature of cut extrude and make it as through all. So here we go. Let's create another sketch of rectangle, and now I will select corner rectangle. Put the dimensions. Here I see that in 2D drawing the dimension for the leftmost edge and the center corner rectangle is 1 inch, and in the same way from all sides it will be 1 inch. At the bottom too it will be 1 inch distance. Now go to feature, click on cut extrude, select through all, click OK. Now the exercise 1, for the NAVTAC course is accomplished. Now save it as NAVTAC exercise 1. Here we go for another exercise, and for the second exercise it also says to create 3D solid model for a 2D drawing. Here we go. Start Solidworks 2018. It is loading add-ins and launching the software. Here we go to new part document, and click on top plane, create a sketch and create a center rectangle at top plane. Put the smart dimension. Here we give the dimension to the edges of the rectangle as 3 and 4 inches. Now select features and click on boss extrude and put the distance for boss extrude as 0.625. Now click on top surface and right click on top surface, then click on normal to the plane, create sketch on top surface. Center rectangle is being used as sketch entity. Put the dimension to the center rectangle as 2.5 as 0.5. Click on features, then boss extrude, select the distance or type the distance here as 2. Now click on isometric view. Let's see how it looks. It's pretty good. Now click on front face of the bottom side of this pot. Now again create a corner rectangle and put the dimensions to this rectangle. Here we will have to use the dimension of 0.2 inches, and here the length of this rectangle is 0.25 inches. The distance between the right edge of the rectangle and rightmost edge of the object is 0.875. Now the sketch is fully defined. Cut extrude, select through all and click on OK. Now save this object and name it as NAVTAC exercise 2. Click on save. Again see the isometric view. Here we are missing one thing, which is holes, 2 holes at the left side of this object. Let's select the face and click on normal to. Select the circle entity and again select circle, give the dimensions to the circle as 0.625. It is pretty larger. The dimension for the circle is 0.5, select the entities and go to constants, click on equal and then make both of these circle as vertical. Create two circles and the distance between the center of the circle to the leftmost edge of this object is 0.625, 0.655, and let's change the radius of the circle, it is 0.31. Now select the distance, put the distance for the circle from the topmost edge of the box to the center of the circle, it is 2.35. The dimension or distance from the center of the circle to the topmost edge of the object is 0.655. Go to features and click on cut extrude, select OK and put it as through all. Here we go. Let's start fillets on the edges of this object. Click on fillet, put the distance as 0.5 and also click here. Now click on OK, it is accepted. So now again we will have to produce fillet on other edges. Again click on fillet and put the distance as 0.120, and in this side too you have to put the same fillet radius 0.12. Click OK. Now again go to fillet and select the fillet radius as 6.655. Again select the edges with a fillet radius of 0.655. Here it all is done. Select isometric view and see how it looks. It is pretty good, and let's close the window by saving this item. Close it. Thanks for watching.